Hello, one of the useful things of using Visual Studio Code is about key maps. Key maps allows you to define all the keys and shortcuts that you can use in order to execute different actions. This might be useful to you in the sense that you might come to Visual Studio Code from a different product and you are used to some shortcuts for specific actions and here will be different. Okay, so the goal of this video is to show you how you can change those shortcuts. The first option is about getting the on preferences. You can have here the keyboard shortcuts. Here you have all the actions that you can execute when are going to be available, for example when the editor has the focus, and this is the key binding that is set by default. You can click here and enter the key combination for that specific command. In any case, as you can see per the scroll bar, there is a huge list of commands and every extension provides their own. Okay, so if you can search here, for example, for TMS, and here you will see all the actions that we are providing with TMS web core for Visual Studio Code. In any case, in order for you to do this faster, you can also search for extensions on the marketplace, and you can search here for key map. Okay, and there is a lot of them. Okay, in any case, there is one that may sound familiar to you, so what we are going to do is to install it. Okay, and here on this tab you can get all the feature contributions by this extension, and you can see here the shortcuts. For example, here you can see the start of debugging now is F9. Okay, and also to continue, step over, step into. So you know, these are familiar to you. For example, toggle breakpoint. Okay, I'm going to switch on the screencast mode so you see my keystrokes. Okay, so now if I press F5, I'm setting a breakpoint here. Okay, and also if I press F9, what I do is to run this application. Okay, this is shown here. Sorry. Okay, this is the browser that has opened when I have run the application. Okay, and here you can stop. As you can see, is the command F2. Okay, so command F2. Okay, I'm stopping the execution. So as you can see, even by default, the IDE has some shortcuts that you are not used to use. There is this nice extension that sets up all the keystrokes you are used to familiar values, so you will feel at home when using the product. Okay, thank you.